Microsoft Team channels may be created for different purposes. And what you may want to do is use templates if you want to be more manageable right from the beginning. So to do that, you can go around and click on Join or Create Team over here from the Teams area over here in Microsoft Teams, and click on it. And over here, you can see that Create Team is an option. So if I were to go around and create team, over here on the bottom, you can see that you have an option to create a team using existing team as a template over here as well. So you can go around and select out, let's say, for example, existing teams right here and choose a team. And that becomes the template right here, as you can see. So you can make it private right here. And over here, you can see that you can allow different things right here. And based on that particular existing team, you can simply create out a team right here. So it is creating a team based of an existing team, and it arranges out the settings according to it. So it is creating the team, as you can see right here, and you can add in the members over here as well. But I'm just going to skip this part. But over here, you can see that there's this channels that are created based on an existing team right here. But this is entirely a new team, and it is named as copy over here as well, and that you can rename out later as well. And that is how you can use existing teams as templates to create new teams inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.